I'm gonna show you how to Looksmax with a step-by-step guide with 7 science-backed upgrades that will make you instantly hotter. From jawline tricks that will fix your face symmetry to grooming tricks that only the most elite models use. This is gonna be your transformation roadmap. I'm gonna show you how to Looksmax from the top of your body all the way down. Start with number 1, jawline max. Most guys think their jawline is weak because they're fat or because of genetics, but instead, it's actually a hidden bone that's in your face that no one is talking about, that's sabotaging your entire face, the hyoid bone. And here's the craziest part. Your hyoid bone placement isn't completely genetic. It moves based on your tongue posture and your neck posture, which means you can change your jawline without surgery or without having to lose fat. A 2022 study found that lifting your hyoid bone just 2 millimeters created measurable improvement in neck to jaw separation. That separation is what gives you that snatched jawline every model has, and it's trainable. I want you to try this with me. Grab your tongue and press it flat up against the roof of your mouth. That upward pressure lifts your hyoid bone and pulls your jaw muscles tighter. You're gonna see an instant visual change. Then I want you to seal your lips. Keep your tongue flat against the roof with the back part of your tongue pressed the hardest up against it. This is correct posture for your face. When you do this daily, it starts reshaping your jawline over months. And if you want a faster boost, you can do something called jaw pull. I want you to open your mouth fully as much as you can 20 times, then relax for 10 seconds, then repeat that 3 more times. According to science, just 1 month of high-speed mouth opening exercises resulted in an increased elevation of the hyoid bone. Bro, once this becomes natural, your jawline is gonna look sharp in every photo. And think about it, jawline maxing just gave you instant results. Wait until I reverse skin aging with Skin Max, increase your eye symmetry with Eye Max, even show you how to hair max. We're just getting started, but by the end of this video, you're gonna be a completely different man. Number 2, Skin Max. You can use all the creams in the world, but if your skin looks tired, you'll never be truly attractive, mainly because of 3 daily mistakes that destroy the age of your skin. Problem here is that most people ignore their orbicularis oculi. This is the muscle that defines the youthfulness of your skin, and you're just focusing on expensive cream. Instead, I need you to focus on these 3 things. First, understand that if your eyes look tired, nothing else matters. This orbicularis oculi muscle collapses under stress, sleep, and swelling. To fix this, I want you to do eye squint pulses, where you do a 10-second squeeze and then release, and repeat this 5 times. This will help activate the firmness of this muscle. Then I need you to apply a cold ice cube for around 30 seconds around each muscle to reduce that under eye inflammation. Let me actually show you why your skin looks tired with my own skin as I put this into practice. Now, this is a picture of me recently woken up. I look exhausted. I barely slept. Now, I'm gonna apply every step I'm showing you, but I'm gonna supercharge my skin and give me an immediate glow with the PMD tool. This is a microderm abrasion tool. In other words, it's a super exfoliator. It has a little tip that exfoliates. It sucks the skin to remove a whole layer of skin so you can unclog your pores and remove that dull skin. Now, here's the impressive part. PMD has sold over 1 million units of this worldwide because people realize that you can transform your skin at home with this tool. This is dermatologist grade level. And me personally, it's my secret hack I've used for over 7 years. Next, I want you to add a retinol and a caffeine serum 2 to 3 times a week. Retinol increases cell turnover, which just means creates new skin, while caffeine shrinks blood vessels to reduce the puffiness. Now, most of the creams you've used before, they never work because you have a layer of dull skin that's blocking the absorption of those products. But with the PMD tool, as I run it over my skin, a small spinning aluminum oxide disc starts buffing away all the dead skin. You can literally see the dust collecting because it also has a vacuum feature that pulls the dead skin off my skin and my pores. That's the microdermabrasion in action. Now, not only does your skin look brand new, studies show that it can increase the absorption of products you use by over 20x. They also show that you're gonna remove all skin texture and stimulate collagen after using it just 6 times. That is the exact same protocol dermatologists use, and they'll charge you around $2,000 to do that in office. You get that same level of skin treatment straight from home. That's why it's been my secret weapon for 7 years. And the final step, if you don't layer your products correctly, you're wasting your time. You wanna start with your water-based products first, then your moisturizer, and finally seal everything off with a sunblock or SPF. Notice what happens when I apply product. My skin absorbs it up. It looks glowy, it's brighter, it's softer, and that's just after 1 use of my PMD tool. Imagine what happens when you use it 6 times. And the best part is you don't have to pay $2,000 to have a secret weapon like this. As a matter of fact, if you click the link down below right now and use my special code, you can get this for 1/10 or less than 1/10 of the price that you would pay at a derm's office to have perfect, great looking skin. I mean, just look at the before and after. They speak for themselves, and that was 1 session. If you want to transform your skincare, check out the PMD. Tip 3. Eye Max. You're going to fix asymmetrical eyes with 3 pillows. If you've ever noticed that one of your eyes looks slightly smaller or lower in the photo, even though your face might look fine in the mirror, this is not genetic and it can be fixed as you sleep with 3 pillows. First, you need to stop sleeping on your side. It puts nightly pressure on one half of your face. Over time, that side subtly compresses, making that one side eye droop or tighten. Instead, I want you to sleep on your back, but no one ever teaches you how to do it. You don't roll over at night. So you're gonna start with a pillow under your head like you normally do. Then I want you to add a pillow under your knees. And finally, I want you to add a third pillow across your chest. This will lock your body in position so you don't have to roll over at night. Now, if your asymmetry is really noticeable, you can wear non-prescription clear glasses pretty much all day. They reflect symmetry, which makes your uneven eyes look more balanced. Number 4, Hair Max. If you want to hide hair loss in 30 seconds, it's not about the haircut you choose. It's about how the light reflects against your hair scalp. And you have to understand, hair thinness, it's not always about genetics. It's often a light to scalp contrast problem. If your scalp is reflecting too much light, it's gonna create the illusion of thinner hair, even if you don't have hair loss or you have good hair density. So your first step should be to apply a matte dry shampoo near the root of your hair. This will reduce scalp shine and also create the illusion of volume, absorbing excess oil. For the dry shampoo, I recommend a colored version that matches the color of your hair. So if you have black hair, use a black dry shampoo, and if you have brown hair, use a brown dry shampoo. You're gonna instantly see thicker hair because light reflects off your scalp, not your hair. Now your next step, stop the fades. Yes, your boy uses fades. If your hair looks like it's thinning, it's not your best bet. Instead, use a textured layered cut. Layers just add lift and spacing between your hair strands, which gives the illusion of fuller, thicker hair. Trust me, you do these 2 simple hair maxing steps, and within a week, you're gonna increase hair density by 30%, giving the illusion that you have thicker, fuller hair. Number 5, Style Max based on your face shape. This is why hats or sunglasses don't look good on you. Your face might be symmetrical, your jawline might be sharp, but if your hat or your glasses don't match your face, it's gonna all fall apart. So your first step should be to use the face shape TikTok filter to first identify what your face shape is. For example, for me, my face shape best fits the square face. It takes 5 seconds. It's way better than having to guess what your face shape is. Now that you know your face shape, here is the chart that you need to always remember for glasses. If you're a round face, I want you to use more rectangular glasses to add more angularity. If you're a square face like me, you want to use more circular or curved frames, which is the opposite, to add more balance. If you're an oval face, you're lucky. All shapes look good on you. And if you're a diamond face, for smaller frames or even rimless frames. Now, let's do your hat. Here's the cheat sheet you should follow for hats. If you're a round face, I want you to go for a structured brim, add more definition to your face. If you're a square face, hats with large crowns tend to look great on you. If you're an oval face, you lucky bastard, again, everything looks good on you. You got the balanced face. And if you're a diamond face, you need to change how you wear your hats. Wearing them backwards tends to look the best on you. Number 6, you're going to scent max with the invisible halo effect. Being told you smell good is the best compliment a man can ever get. I'm gonna show you how to get this compliment easy from anyone with this invisible halo effect. Now, before you even apply the scent halo effect I'm gonna show you, you need to start dry brushing before you step in the shower. This removes all the dead skin on your body and prepares your skin for all the scents you're about to apply. Then, I want you to use a silicone body scrubber with an antibacterial soap, because after that shower, your skin will be so clean that's gonna do a better job holding onto the fragrance all day. To do this correctly, I need you to pick a scent profile that you like. It could be vanilla, citrus. For me, it's sandalwood. Then I want you to layer that scent profile across all your products. So for my body wash, it's a sandalwood body wash. Then when I apply my lotion or my body oil after showering that my skin's still damp, it's a sandalwood lotion body oil. Finally, when I apply my fragrance on my pulse points, which is my wrist and my neck, my fragrance also has sandalwood as a top note. This pyramid I just taught you creates this invisible halo around your body that most men will never be able to recreate just applying fragrance and stepping out the house. Your halo will last you 8 to 10 hours. You're gonna smell unforgettable all day. Now, at this point, we've jawline maxed. I've skin maxed you. I've hair maxed you. I've scent maxed you. I promised you a step-by-step looks maxing guide to make you look incredible, to make you look like the best version you've ever seen of yourself. That's my goal here. This last looks maxing tip I'm gonna give you amplifies everything I just taught you. Number 7, you're gonna behavior max. Everyone tells you eye contact is important. Sure, but no one ever tells you exactly what you need to do. So I'm gonna show you what you're probably doing that's wrong, and then I'm gonna show you how to behavior map. For example, a man with weak presence always has a surprised stare. A confident man practices the lower lid flex. You squint tightly by hardening your lower eyelid. It's almost like I'm focusing on something far away. This subtle move increases perceived competence, dominance, and alertness. A man with weak presence, they have fast gestures that signals that he's nervous. A confident man will slow down even his blinks. He'll look around as he talks, almost like he's recollecting information, but he always comes back to make eye contact at the end of his sentences. He also reduces the movement and fidget, and these small tweaks project control. Now, a man with weak presence, he always has his shoulders forward. A confident man has good posture that supports his jawline. He keeps his shoulders pulled back, down, his chin is level, and his head, imagine like a string is pulling you up. This resets your entire frame and even supports your jawline, which is important because you can have the perfect jawline, the perfect hair, the perfect skin. If your behavior and your body language is off, people won't even register you. They'll ignore you. But if you behavior max like I just taught you, every change you made in this looks maxing guide will become visible to everybody around you. See you boys next time.